Imagine the earth beneath your feet, tranquil and serene. The world above is calm, a picture of peace and stability. But deep below, there lies a sleeping giant, a force of nature waiting to be unleashed. A beast of unimaginable power. I am that giant, a volcano with the potential to reshape the world. I am a sleeping giant with a story to tell. For centuries I've slept, hidden beneath a blanket of earth and stone, my presence almost forgotten. To the world above, I am an unassuming mountain, a part of the landscape. My slopes are covered in lush forests, teeming with life and beauty. My peaks crowned with snow, glistening in the sunlight. Birds nest in my trees, singing songs of peace and harmony. And animals graze on my grassy meadows, unaware of the power that lies beneath. Life thrives in my shadows, flourishing in the safety of my presence. But beneath my calm exterior, a storm is brewing, a force that cannot be contained forever. Deep within my core, molten rock churns and bubbles, a cauldron of fiery potential, building pressure day by day, year by year, waiting for the moment to break free. I can feel the heat rising, the tension building, like a heartbeat growing stronger. It's like a heartbeat growing stronger, more insistent, a reminder of the power within. The earth around me trembles, whispering secrets of what is to come, a prelude to the inevitable. I remember the last time I awoke, the world was a different place. The sky turned dark as ash and smoke poured from my mouth, blotting out the sun. Rivers of lava flowed down my sides, consuming everything in their path, leaving a trail of destruction. The ground shook with my fury, and the world was changed forever, a testament to my power. I was a force of nature, unstoppable and awe-inspiring, a reminder of the raw power of the earth. But when the eruption ended, I returned to my slumber, my power spent, my fury abated. Now I feel it happening again, the signs are all there. The faint tremors, the rising temperatures, the subtle shifts in the earth, the sulfurous gases seeping from my cracks, all pointing to the inevitable. Scientists study me, trying to predict when I will wake again, their instruments capturing my every move. They map my insides with seismic waves, measuring my every move, hoping to understand my rhythms. They know that one day, perhaps soon, I will rise once more, a force to be reckoned with. When that day comes, the world will watch in awe and fear, witnessing the raw power of nature. My eruption will be a testament to the raw power of nature, a reminder of the forces that shape our planet. A reminder of the forces that shape our planet, a display of nature's might. I will leave a scar on the land, a mark of my presence that will last for millennia, a testament to my power. But until then, I wait, gathering my strength, biding my time. I gather my strength, biding my time, waiting for the moment to awaken. I am the sleeping giant, the silent volcano, a force of nature waiting to be unleashed. My story is one of patience and power, of destruction and renewal, a cycle that is repeated for millennia. And when I awaken, the world will remember my name, a name synonymous with power and awe. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future stories. Thank you for listening, and stay tuned for more stories from the heart of nature.